and those with only starting their way in the world of finance. Ready to figure out simple and effective strategies that lead you to success? Then let's get started. How to earn as a beginner in the year 2024. Hello my dear friends, and in this video I'll tell you how you can earn even if you're a beginner on the market. And this way of earnings is about trading. I'll demonstrate you in this video the strategy that every beginner can handle, so watch attentively, put your like, subscribe to the channel and do not miss anything. So, we enter to the market and choose currency pairs we're trading on. After 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs, yes, we can choose even a fifth one because we need a lot of pairs for trading, because not every case is suitable for our strategy. Okay, let's choose some classic pair, for example, LUSD, and our strategy is based on trading on levels. Almost all professionals trade on levels. For others, they use assistive strategies. Well, I think it's the most beneficial for beginners to see levels and trade on them. So before that, we set M1 as a time frame and candles as a chart type. We've done here, and now we set the trading time, 1 minute. Now we need to mark levels of minimum and maximum, the ones that the price rolls back from most of the time. Let's choose to draw and a rectangle. We've done, and let's see till where the price has been usually going and rolling back. It's approximately right here. Look, the price reached the spot and rolled back. It reached once again, went a little higher and rolled back again, as you see it right now. Let's draw a level of minimum as well. We choose a rectangle and set the most low point to which the price was going at this local level. Okay, it's approximately right here. Yes, it's going through it a little, but nevertheless it's got back. And now on these levels we're trading. As we see, the case is that the candle is closed in 5 seconds and we can potentially open a position with lower. Let's wait for the candle's closure and open lower. We'll see and figure out if the asset is being traded on this level. As you see, there was a big rise and now there must be some small rollback till these values. Let's wait and see. As you see, the price indeed rolled back strongly from this level and we earned! The deal was successful. We're waiting for the price to reach these values and we can open deals with higher, sorry. As we see, it's indeed working like that now, but we need to make a couple more bets. Until this, the chart is allowing us to do. Let's stay here and wait for the price to reach this value. And while we're waiting, let's check other currencies. Maybe there's a case where we can enter a deal right here and right now. Okay. The case is double here, so let's remove this asset from favorites right away so it's not bothering us. Let's look here. Well, it's pretty interesting as well. Let's draw a levels of minimum and maximum here. The minimum is located somewhere here right now, and maximum, let's draw it as well, is located somewhere in these ranges. Yes. The price is rolling back down now a little. I think as the candle's closed, we can open a position with lower. Let's wait. And while we're waiting for the candle's closure, don't forget that in the description you can find the link to my Telegram channel where you can get a pleasant promo code so you can trade comfortably on the market. And there's also the beneficial information for trading so you can earn together with us. So don't miss your chance. Okay, meanwhile, 15 seconds left to the candle's closure and we'll likely open a deal with lower as the price. Look, there was 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles. Maybe the price will try to go down as well. Let's see what will happen on the market. Let's open a position with lower and we're waiting. While we're waiting for the deal's closure, let's get back to our first currency pair. Okay, see what's up here. Well, there is a small rollback, but for now, nothing crucial, In general, the price is being traded somewhere between these ranges. As we see, there was a rollback up proceeding here. Maybe a trend change is coming, though the trend is already rising here. The tendency is upward, so we can potentially open a bet with higher. Well, let's not interfere here for now. We trade from levels only. Let's get back to Tron currency and see what's up here. As we see, levels worked out perfectly and we've got another positive deal. A lot of red candles for here. Let's see what's going to happen further. Okay, there's such an interesting rollback. This is a candle's shadow and only 8 seconds left to the candle's closure. We'll see. Maybe we can enter the deal right now in 5 seconds. So we enter the deal. We slower as there was a big shadow. Sellers were not allowing the price to go higher, starting to sell. And let's open the deal and watch it. Guys, I want to warn you right away that there is no such thing as 100% strategy in those telling you about their 100% strategies that allow you to earn 10 cases out of 10. No, it can be, because the market is a live mechanism, it's unpredictable, and everyone thinking that, shame on them. But if you use technical analysis, watch the market, its changes, you're definitely going to get more profits than losses. So watch and make decisions with a clear head. This is very important. And for now, it's all going on pretty good, but it doesn't tell us anything yet, as the rollbacks are huge. Buyers are trying to get the price higher, as well as they're buying and buying, so such a candle's shadow is appearing. 2 seconds left to the candle's closure, and we close the deal in a profit. We already have several profitable deals in a row, and we're trading from levels only accurately not high enough. So let's get back to Tron currency. And as soon as the candle's closed, we open a deal with lower. Because for now, this price is not going higher than our levels. So we open a deal with lower in perspective, waiting for it to roll back, and only after that, a breakthrough of this level might get started, so the price will go up. We'll see. If we manage to guess, make the right analysis. For now, we're staying here and waiting. Let's analyze our currencies. Maybe there's some other convenient case for entering the deal. What's up here? Well, there are such small rollbacks, no strong changes. So let's stay here and see. We'll get back to our currency, check what's going on here. For now, there's a great red candle, but you know what? Buyers never sleep and want to raise the price. They're buying, and so supply and demand are fighting each other. Okay, great. What a nice red candle, and we earned! Great, and level worked out, and the candle's closed. Let's wait and see 2 seconds one, and we open with lower and wait. And for now, there's no assumptions for the breakthrough, it seems. But let's see, the market is unpredictable, but the levels are working out perfectly, guys. And by the way, don't forget to put your likes while we're trading. And of course, keep information in mind. You can do together everything with me. Determine levels of minimum, maximum, and strategy is very important to determine those levels as correctly as possible. I mean, local levels, it matters, trust me. Well, we need to check global ones as well, it matters too, but if we're trading on 1 minute, we consider local levels first of all. For now, we had 5-6 profitable deals in a row, can't remember, the result is pretty good, you know, it's working out. What matters is not staying on the same one currency pair for long, because it might be not an appropriate case for the deal, and in other pairs it may be, so keep in mind. 2 seconds, 1 second, and great, another profit! Guys, such a good day. Pretty good, and it's not such an often scenario. Every single deal is closed and a profit in a row. It might happen that there's a few bad deals, losses, but today the levels are working out perfectly. Okay, 4 seconds left to the deal's closure, and I think we'll enter with lower to it and wait. Let's see what will happen with the price. But I have an assumption that in general the price can break that level through and change the trend. There's a high chance, but I hope it won't happen now. A little later, please, so the deal is going to be closed and a profit. As we see, there was a loss, but it's fine. I've told you already that we had a lot of positive deals and we were close to the profit this time too. But as I predicted, the price could potentially change the trend. Now it's really trying to do it. With these, the price is heading up, so it's fine, there are no losses, and what matters is not losing your head after that, not trying to win the loss back. Just keep your head cool, guys. Wait for a good moment and open deals. Don't miss new good ways to earn and strategies and trading on Earnings Online, and all the required links are in the description. Bye bye, see you soon.